Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on Lotus. The lotus is a beautiful flower that grows in water. It is the national flower of India. The lotus has large round leaves that float on the water surface. It comes in colors like pink, white and blue. The lotus blooms in muddy ponds but stays clean and pure. It opens in the morning and closes at night. The flower symbolizes purity, beauty, and strength. The lotus is also a sacred flower in many religions like Hinduism and Buddhism. Bees and other insects love the lotus because it has sweet nectar. The lotus is a symbol of hope and positivity for many people around the world. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.